All right, I'm just saying. You better get ready. That's it. What's up, guys? Welcome back here at D2 Sneakers. Daniel here. Behind the camera, we have Milena. And today, let me get closer. Oh my God. Okay. Today, yes! Today is all about LB 1.1 Millionaire Edition, Black and Green. Sounds good? You ready? Take a seat, get something to drink. I'm gonna be doing the unboxing and review of this baby right here. Give me your thoughts on the comment section and we'll go from there. Let's go. All right, guys. Milena, we're finally here. Let's go. Let's jump into this baby right now. Louis Vuitton box. I love that orange color. White carry box. White, blue carry box. Oh my gosh, Daniel. And here we have our LB 1.1 Millionaire Black and Green Edition.
Okay, so they're not like plain green. They actually have
some white details, some kind of like can I say like kind of marmalade way?
It's like marmalade, yeah. You're right.
Do you see the LB initials all over the top of the sunglasses? Similar as the other two that we already did. But I don't know if you're noticing that these glasses are way darker than the other two.
They are. The glass is darker.
And the details on the corner of the sunglass are way different. I believe they are kind of bigger than in the other colorways. But here you can see the size. Here's the Louis Vuitton signature. The LB initials on the top corner, yeah. I do love these ones also. And they look great.
They do.
I'm ready to try them.
Okay, let's go.
So let's jump on that. Right, we're finally here. Let's see how they look. Should I get closer? All right. What about there? Closer? Let's do it. There you go. Now you can get your own conclusions. Comment below and let me know what you guys think about these ones. I love them. I'm going to be rocking them. So let's see.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Well, guys, this is the sad part. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching us. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Drop a comment below. Tell me, did you like the video? Did you like this colorway? Did you like the brand? Did you like the model? Will you watch a next video about sunglasses? Who knows? You are the only one. Go there and say whatever you want to say. Share the video. Send it to someone that probably will love this content. I'm not asking anything else. I'm pretty sure we want to see each other in the next episode. Ciao.